Hello guys, welcome to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment, where we serve you gist happening all over Nigeria. For today we have from Ceec, I don't know Tacha because I don't watch Big Brother. Ceec speaks on housemate. Highly controversial Big Brother Naija housemate Ceec, who recently said she would drop her kingship status after marriage, has responded to the comparison often made by Nigerians on social media between her and Tacha. Ceec cautioned Nigerians against comparing her to Tacha, as she does not know her or actively watch the video. Ceec and Tacha have been said to have some things in common, which is stirring controversy, but the former begs to differ, as she stated that two people can never be the same in nature, and she didn't know about the latter because she didn't watch the last section of the reality show. She said, I don't know Tacha because I don't watch Big Brother. Guys, do you think she's saying the truth about being different from Tacha? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.